I recently came across a mukbang video in which the host was eating this corn dog which is coated with diced potatoes. I couldn't find the video anymore, but it looked so darn delicious, and since I don't know any place that sells that thing, I decided to make them myself. Corn dogs are very simple to make anyway, so I figured this version won't be too difficult. Or so I thought. Anyway, I followed the recipe by Christy at home, link in the description box if you're interested, and this is what it should look like in the end. Her steps seemed straightforward enough, so I gathered my ingredients and got ready to make magic happen. So first step is to mix your batter ingredients in a bowl like so. And in a smaller bowl, mix lukewarm water, sugar, and yeast. So first step in, and I already made an irreversible mistake here. I did not use lukewarm water. I figured the humidity and temperature in where I stay is sufficient to activate the yeast somehow. And then I mixed the yeast mixture into the flour mixture and covered it with a cloth. While I let the dough rise, I peeled 8 potatoes as per the recipe. And I proceed to dice the potatoes. The recipe said to sprinkle flour on the potatoes, so I did, and I also defrosted the hot dogs, and I did not get the mozzarella cheese. I think that part is optional. You can substitute it with anything else or not use it at all. Anyway, a good 45 minutes later, I was ready to coat the hot dog and realized that the dough did not rise like it should. And look at how liquidy it is still. So my recording stopped at a crucial point and did not manage to capture the saga that happened in our attempt to save the batter. Long story short, my roommate tried to persuade me to start making a new batter, but I refused. And since heat is all that's missing, I figured that putting the batter on top of an toaster oven would work, but it did not. And in the end, we did make a new batter, but using another recipe, so we did not use yeast and used eggs instead. And but that did not work as well because the potatoes just would not stick. So we decided to make normal corn dogs. We proceed to fry it, and look at that. It looked pretty good, but look at all these diced potatoes lying around. That is 8 medium-sized potatoes diced. So here's the end result of the corn dogs. I used some young mayonnaise on it and it tastes really good. Look at the aftermath of the whole thing. It was supposed to be an easy, fuss-free recipe, but I ended up spending more time over the filled batter and also trying to do something with the remaining potatoes. So this is what I made using the potatoes. I made some potato patties with the leftover batter. I will freeze these because there's just no way I can finish all 8 fried potatoes. And yeah, that's the journey of learning, and let's end the video on a good note. Here is a satisfying crunch. Thanks for watching.